Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Emmanuel Oromi Jusmo, known as the Grace Year or the Sea of this year. So this morning, I welcome you to the Emmanuel Oromi Juice Drive. Emmanuel Oromi Juice, as a pilot, welcomes you. Share this very program across every other platforms. Do well to invite your friends and your well-wishers. Just let them know that Emmanuel Oromi Juice is live and direct, and the whole world is listening. And share across your friends and family. And if you wish to support this very platform, you can do it on through Super Chat on Emmanuel Remedios TV. Let us move, please. So, since I busted the criminal enterprise of Isaiah Anyogu using eight different names, and in America he also have eight criminal charges. Wonderful, eight criminal charges. Some people say, "Oh, people go to prison. This person went to prison. Have they gone to prison for criminal charges? Can a criminal lead you to your own freedom?" Eight different criminal offenses. And one of those, he may be going to ninth one, and this one, he may not survive it. Almost $5 million paid into Oge Nkere's account through some of them. So now you know the reason why all of them is all share the money. All of them is going to get a benefit from the money. Almost $5 million. We are digging deep. We are Biafra people. So now you know the reason why Umwat Ngom is supporting them. Those blackmailing Emmanuel Eremi is hungry. You are more hungry than me. Look at Nkana Royce. Senayor Sonny Akarawa. He is the Royce Unnano. Oh, my man is Sonny Akarawa. Sonny Akarawa is the Royce. Segi aka Butuzo. Asiocha, Sonny Akarawa is Royce. Are you getting the details now? Now they are making a hell lot of noise because of the money being paid into their account. Now, I asked Bryson Okoma, I asked Professor Jao Irobi. So the reason all of you joined Biafra was to collect money, $4.2 million something dollars, almost going to $5 million paid to Una. Now let me ask you people, tell you people again. Do you know what Oge Nkere did was a criminal offense? If you go to Adadi Oramma's program, in Adadi Oramma's program, you can see where what are they calling him? Oge Nkere criminally change the account, the GoFundMe opened by PM. The day that they started doing it, those of them that confessed there are there. They confess that it was PM that opened that GoFundMe. And the reason is to raise money for our struggle. Now look at where criminality joined. Because what was there as at then is your donation will benefit the Biafra children who are being killed every day. Then he went and put his own name. Then after putting his own name, he put his picture. Then it was written, your donation will benefit Isaiah Anyog. No longer Biafra children, but Isaiah Anyog. Do you see where criminality entered? Criminals, broad daylight criminals who are hell-bent in scamming Biafra people. I want to say, And I will categorically say on this very platform, please and please, Isaiah Anyog, anybody that contributed money into that account should report to FBI that he is being scammed. And I want to ask those who are following this person, how can somebody hijack the money going to Biafra children? From the money will benefit the Biafra children, now to the money will benefit Isaiah Anyog. Is that a criminal offense or not? Those are the people calling me, oh, hungry man, oh, let me choose. You are more hungry than me. Legumu abakarati ngum. Omo recharge card. 5 million, almost $5 million belonging to Biafra people. Criminally channeled. No, little wonder why, what are they calling him? This highway lobbyist. Followed them. And yesterday, someone called me from America. Please pay attention to this thing that I'm about to say. A high-profile American called me. During the time that we were speaking, he told me that one of his senator friends told him that why did we allow this highway lobbyist to come into the struggle. That this guy used to work for Zoo. Please pay very close attention. Yesterday morning, and one of my American friends who schooled in America, grew up in America, invested in America, called me to tell me that a senator of his friend in America was asking him, why did they allow this guy to become a lobbyist to Biafra people? That this guy is a double standard agent. Yesterday morning, I know that you will be watching this. We demand for more evidence, please. We demand for more evidence and more clarity into this, please. Very, very important. These are the people. Follow who get the money, the biggest money. This is the same person who told us that he is paying money to these people that he is meeting. Do you remember what Robin said? Robin said he did not receive a dime. Nobody paid him a dime. But he said he lobbied Robin. He will speak. When you hear lobbied means paid, bribe. I gave him money to do it. That is lobbying. I lobbied Robin. Now, on the day of Finland Convention, when Robin was speaking, he said he received no dime. He is speaking just because of he knows very much about Biafra. Nobody paid him. Did he deny it? He did not deny it. He did not deny it now. Oge Nkere, Otilo. They came to use us to bargain. Now listen. The guy called Obi of Germany, he have come back with another brand new lies, which I would want every one of you to listen. This is new lies, 2025 new lies. Get your copy now. This is the same person who said he have done many things to me. Obi, you have not done many things to me. I have stated how I knew this guy. This guy collected my number from a top comrade in this very struggle. He came to me and told me that that top comrade had been his friend, not knowing that it was in a group where people were talking about me. The guy spoke. He then saw his number, chatted him. Please, he is very much interested in me. This guy saw the way that this guy was disturbing him. that very much interested in my security, that this and that. He gave him my number. Then when this one called me, Obi called me, he told me that this guy had been his friend for a very long time. If he is not his friend, he wouldn't give him this thing. He said he will send something to me. Which letter I saw 40 something or 30 something, either 30 something or 40 something thousand. He called me and told me that he was the person who sent it. I thank him. Later that month, ending of the month, he called me and sent that he will send something to me. I said, okay. He sent 5,000. I said, okay, thank you. 5,000. Now, another month, he called me and I told him, no, I don't need any money. Ask him. He asked me how. I told him that I'm already generating money from my YouTube. Yes, go and ask him. Which he thanked me and said, it's very, people that does this, people who speaks this truth, is very rare. Now, originally I thought that he was the person who sent the other one, 40 something or 30, either 49 or 39,000. No. Yeah, either 39,000. Originally, I thought he was the person who sent that 39,000. It was when we started having problem that he knew that I will bring it to media. He said he used it to mock me. I'm not the person that sent that one to you. It was money donated from a group. True, brother. Money donated in a group, you came and collected glory. Money that they contributed in a group, he came and collected glory. And now, the money donated in a group, he told me it was 40,000. But somebody who went to pay the money was the one who minus, is it 1,000 or thereabouts? But the money is 39,000 or 39,000 plus, I have forgotten. I hate to quote somebody out of context. Sure? I said, okay. Now, this guy always called me. I used to say this. He always called me every time that he will transport me to, what are they calling this place? Gabon. That I should tell him where I am, that he will put me in a safe place. I said, no, I don't need safe place. Where I am okay. At a time, he started pressing me that why can't I confide upon all the time that he have been calling me? Why can't I confide where I am to him? That it is very important that anything that is happening to me, one person will know where I am. I said, Oga, I am okay where I am. I know they confide in anybody. Even my wife, I did not tell her where I am. Is it you that I will tell where I am? He said, okay. This demon, he said, okay. And it ends. Now he went to a group, said, upon every good thing that you have been doing to me, the only money that you sent to me was 5,000. And that was when I ran away from Nigeria. Those days that people were helping me, that was when you sent money. Now this guy told me categorically clear that him and PM used to speak, that he used to call him my son, that anything that I needed, that I have tried in this very struggle, that many secrets that I have opened couldn't be possible without me. He said anything, he discussed with PM, anything that I want, I should tell him. Since I don't speak to PM, I said, okay. He used to tell me this. And on December 2023, when my YouTube, I was changing it. Somebody was changing it for me. And the money delayed, which was later paid. But it delayed. That was when I borrowed money I told him borrow me 300,000. When I fix my YouTube, I have said this, I will send the money to you. He told me he doesn't borrow people money. But since I'm involved, he will only give me, what he will give me is money that I will use to take care of myself. He told me that he will give me 200,000. That whenever, if that money, you see 200,000 or 100,000, if I'm not mistaken, either 200,000 or 100,000. That if that one is not enough for me, if I need another money, I should let him know. Either 100,000, yeah, 100,000. I should let him know. I said, okay. He forwarded 100,000 to me and called me, have I received it? I said, yes. The next week, this guy called me again. He said, do I still need another money? Please. I said, no. I am okay that I got money from another person else. That is one of my guy. We have been together since 2020. I know this man since 2020 December. I said, no, I have gotten money. He said, okay. Can somebody who told you that he doesn't borrow people money, he will give you money can it turn out to be borrowing? Now this same man called me after giving me this 100,000. 2023, all these things happened 2023, not recently. Which I have cleared on this very platform. This man later called me and said, I should confide in him again where I am. I refuse. He's tried, telling me all sorts of stories, how it is good to confide in a friend. I said, no, Oga, I don't reveal my place to anyone. This same man lied. Oga, this is 2025 and I can't wepụta this year adịghị mma. Since ka ị na-emeke noise, ị ya atụ onye a na-arụsị, ị ya atụ onye a na-arụsị. Ọ mụnwa bụ arụsị, and mma atụ gị na mmụọ. Ọ bụkwa nke before bụ m na-eme mmecha mgba nkịtị. Asị niile ị na-atụ aka ya ebi gị n'ala. Now let me play the voice, please. This is the same guy PM suspended because of these lies, because he later turned and started insulting PM. Let me play it, please.
Send the mama give this voice note to say na mo agware ya na otiri obi adịghị mma. Nyanwa John na-esi obi adọrọ nyanwa mma. Ọma mmadụ onye o mere obi adọrọ fa mma na this struggle. Ọma mmadụ onye ọ na blackmail go na this struggle. I don't want ihe ahụ na-ekwu asị ya na-ekwu ya. Otu ọ sịrị obi adịghị mma na obi agbawa gị otu aka obi akọrọ nye sisi ahụ ngọrọ ọfọ ọgwe mana she's never remained the same. And ọgwụnwa with the highest witness onye chitụrụ m ihe ọ tụrụ m ji wee rapụ ya. Ọnọdụ gị ihe m gwara ya na Finland bụ so o mepe ọnụ ọ na-atụ asị na blackmail mmadụ. Ndị ọ mana ihe ahụ ọ na-ekwu bụ asị. Adụkwana m ebe ọ na-ekwu na soshal midia that na mụnwa mmadụ na Finland na nna ya na m na-agwa ihe biko ka mụ na-edozi asị hụ mụ na-ekwu esu enweghị ike nwunye Jezebel nwunye Lucifer ka na-asị na mụ na ya ga-edozi ka eke n'ụdị dị anya mgbe ọ gwara m na m sị na m ga-atụ ya n'alụsị na ya arapụgo m kesi mụ na eto God Chineke ọ bụrụ na onye nwa mejọ m si ya nefa na mazị nọ na m ga-atụ na nsị awụ na ọ bụrụ maka praịmarị na m ga-eyuzu my daughter wee su nwunye to court kwuchie ọma na my daughter wee lọ ya nọ maka prime minister ka m ji were rapụ ya mgbe ya nkịtị na never sị na m ga-atụ ya n'alụ
Because which of your daughter be a lawyer? This guy, asị gị ya arapụta gị, ị na-atụ anywhere bele face, ozu asị nwụrụ anwụ. Ọ mana my daughter be a lawyer. N'ebe, let us continue, please.
Ọ pụtakwara na social media na towards ọkwa nkụnwa ji voice note ọkụnwa onye sendịrị m the record ihe gị na-ekwu na-ekwu ebe ọ na-apara gị na-enye nweta m na Finland na Disemba a ga-edikiri ya convention under February ka ọ nọ wee na-aba mba na onye nwe prime minister na onye nwe Biafra na nye nweta m na Finland na ya ga-ediskresi na Biafrans ya ediskresi m ma jee Finland ọmame ihe niile o mere tụọ asị niile ọ tụrụ n'isi m pọminọtụ nta ijere Finland ka prime minista gwazie m ihe mere njima agaghị njima
O jere Finland. This very guy bragging na o jere Finland is the same person who ran to Ikenga Uruagu, sent voice to Ikenga Uruagu for Ikenga Uruagu to play to blackmail me, and Ikenga was insulting prime minister, which he, Obi, later did voice, calling prime minister names, none as support evil. If he is not supporting evil, is this the way prime minister Yeje Mwete Biafra with lies, blackmail, and deceit? Which I played again on my program. He later, then, after I played it, you see Pegodi Ampe, because he never knew that I will obtain that particular voice where he was insulting prime minister. Isi Peyampe, he went in. After many months, he came out to apologize. Oh, prime minister, this thing, you are like a father. You are like this. Then the prime minister become like a father. No longer your son, which he said here. No longer your son. You are like a father to me, this and that. This is the reason why I attacked you, because you did not stop these people. Prime Minister totally sacked him. I played his voice on my platform. Now he still went to Finland. You still believe in Biafra of the same liars and deceivers? This criminal letter, let me go. We will get to that place, please.
Finland, ịbata na convention a na-eme ka ọ gwazie m ka nyenwawu Chelsea pere ya esi wee lụọ bụ prime minister my younger brother more than me.
So you now love the same criminal scamming Biafra people. You now love somebody that is insincere, as you called him in that voice. You now love him. Obo, did I play your voice where you were attacking the prime minister? Your main problem is that people related to you because you speak left, right, and center. Those whom you went to lie to, you lie to them that you have sowed a seed. According to what he told me, he have sowed too much money in the struggle. I derived the too much money from the 5,000, which you are now saying, Oga, ego give for an account no 5,000. Send the account to give 5,000. That's the only money. Send your account to give 5,000. My wife's phone number to call. You are the person who demanded that number, which I later gave you for a reason. I told you, in case of incasity, if I do not get the numbers of others, which I gave out my number to many people, her number to many people, because she don't really know where I am. In case of incasity, people should call her. That's just it. You are not the only person that I gave the number. You are not. In case of incasity, I put my security. I am very, very conscious of my security. Which you did immediately, called her to talk rubbish. Or have you forgotten? Why did she block you? Why did she block you? Are you not telling people that even my wife blocked you? After then that I tried to escape from where I am, which she cried to you about my security. She cried and cried. What did you tell her that made her to block you? What? Liar and deceiver. Liar and deceiver. After she cried to you, you still bring them on social media. Oh, my wife cried to you. You called her to let her know that your husband is having security issue. He's escaping. And my wife started crying. Though she started crying, Obi, I have called my husband. It's not going. Please, and please, what about his security? I have not heard about him. What is this? You brought it to social media. Can anyone take you serious? Can anyone take you serious in life? Nobody will take you serious. Let me tell you, the principle of being a man is determinant on how you conduct yourself. How you conduct yourself. Oh, my wife cried to you. Hey, this and that. Did you call her or not? Did you call her? Did you call her? Even, okay, I called her to inform her that I have security issue. I called you. I gave you my wife's phone number. So immediately you contacted her. She told you that she had called me back. The number is not going. The last time that she spoke to me was when I told her that I have security issue. Is that not the main thing? Lying, legono how you disgrace yourself. And a voice came where you said you have done many things, you have sold many money, including helping the Prime Minister. Leno OAC, na help. He helped help Prime Minister. 5,000 is your money that was sold when I ran away from Nigeria and did propaganda 2023. All of you did it this thing, said that I needed help, including this Abakarawa, Chamaka Ajamuramu. All of you, we are using me to shine. Ibarawa YouTube money. Abakarawa said I'm the first here, YouTube money. First, you got the YouTube money. I am exposing your criminality and your criminal self. Go to the comment section and see how people take you. Thousands of people who watch my video every day. Go to the comment section and see that you are nobody. You came to Biafra to destroy Biafra. I will be the last that will allow you criminals, you scammers, to destroy this Biafra.
After spending coming to 30 years in France, upon Obuyoshi on a bonding man and drug baron, Chechagurunga,
Also, I don't want to expose.
Apart from prayers, everything about her.
Oga, you have nothing to expose. If you have, you call somebody drug baron, you call somebody Oge prison. I don't want to expose her apart from Prime Minister. Is it the same Prime Minister that you called names? The same Prime Minister that fired you, that he don't want to see you anywhere. Because of you, Prime Minister suspended Pastor Rose because of you. Which you lied to hoodwink everybody. And at the end of the day, It was done that the same lies that you throw to people, you know this, you know that. That was the same lie you lied to Pastor Rose. She knows nothing about you. You lied to her, as I heard that it was lies that you threw, because somebody have to call me to clarify me there that Obi was lying. Everyone knows you about a lie. All the cargo known as liar everywhere. Can't you pity yourself? Eko, I don't want to expose her. Apart from Prime Minister, Iyerumu Prime Minister and so. Apart from Prime Minister, Keya Chegen in Aka. Royal Soko will not bother wagon. After going to Ikenga, calling Prime Minister a thief. Did you go to Ikenga? Did you go to Gaddafi? Calling Prime Minister a thief. Did you go to Ifeoma Biko? You contacted all of them. You even contacted some people that contact me, about 4 or 3 of them that contacted me direct, telling me that Obi contacted them, that they should run propaganda against me. And they were asking you for evidence in our Koro Hancock and Bull story that they are not understanding what you are telling them. That is the reason why they reach out to me. Did you reach out to too many media so they should run propaganda? The same you called Okpontu Uruagu to run propaganda against Prime Minister. And the idiot, he is a content creator. He creates content on social media since the Empire he is content nke ya na Libya benefits. The same Prime Minister iji wee kpaa mụ inyere insult. Apart from Prime Minister ka m na-achọ ihe niile a n'aka nweta gị nsawa gị ekwupụrụ na ara na-apụkwu gị. Onye tiri Prime Minister na mess? It is your own. Where did you run now? Oge Nkere. Oge Nkere brought Gaddafi. Gaddafi threatened Prime Minister openly. Insulted Prime Minister. You too insulted Prime Minister openly in your word. Contacted Okpontu Uruagu that Prime Minister is a scammer, scamming Biafra people. That all the money that you put, I did they not play your voice? How you said that you sold money in the struggle and they scammed all your money. You contacted, what are they calling him? Nkana 1,000 teeth. The same you is now you want to speak to by the way, the scammer called Oge Nkere that scammed Biafra people, you soon go to prison. Bet me.
I am 30 years above 30 years now na Germany, France. She came to France in 1997. I pity all of you, even Mangozi or Abeza. I have told Dr. Ngozi, see, I pity because you never know who is sick. The worst mistake he used remedies we fight that Biafra because now Biafrans have known 100% now Chika will nothing but a lie woman, Jezebel, evil woman, Gobu.
Okay, now, Dr. Ngozi, so you are using me to fight Biafra people. I have said it categorically clear. I have not spoken to Dr. Ngozi. Nobody from there contact me to fight for them. The people that contacted me are Oge Nkere's party that I should support them, which I said no. Those are the people that contacted me. Now you will not see another lie because tomorrow he will deny that he never said so. Oh, I have told Dr. Ngozi the worst mistake he made go to contact the daddy or a man in Jews to run propaganda. If what I am saying is lie, the one that you said about Prime Minister, is it a lie? How you funded Prime Minister according to what the things and the voice that you gave upon to and the 1,000 teeth. All your money. But in a Zoom meeting, where they said you came, someone brought you, Prime Minister asks you, when did you join? You said, oh, you just joined. Have you contributed money? The answer is no. You have never contributed a dime. What did you tell in that Zoom meeting? During the last year Finland convention, which you said you want to go, and Prime Minister said, I don't want to see. Last 2 years convention, which is 2023, Prime Minister said, I don't want to see you in Finland. You asked Prime Minister, but if you can be able to pay all your dues for 1 year, for 6 months, Prime Minister said, even if you pay for 1 year, I don't want to see you. And you were taken out. Prayer, bam, Ibaya, bam, you went to Finland. Now, how did the Prime Minister have a hoagie? Which brought the suspension of Dr. Rose, if I'm not mistaken. Pastor Rose, I mean to say. Which you went to her. You lied. I know. Your own is lie. You have been known as some person. Now is Prime Minister. The same Prime Minister you were Baro.
They can never remain the same. And the go witness, he can't say you can never say him and he but then they will so apart from Finland or Kocha, say yes, somewhere.
Let me tell you people the fact. This idiot was the reason Okpontu Uruagu pulled down my channel. Are you getting it into your paper? This idiot went to tell Okpontu Uruagu that I am making so much money from the YouTube channel. Please. This Ozu went to tell Okpontu Uruagu that I make so much money from YouTube channel that if they can be able to collapse the YouTube channel, that I go yebu mebe no. Now, since he got off, he come. He told na Germany. He another 30 years in Germany. He Germany now. You will never come back to Biafran. I have spent 30 years. Which the other day here in France. Ihe na onwe ga na-eme gị. Ihe na onwe ga na-eme gị. Bru. Ihu nwoke. Ihe na onwe ga na-eme gị. The person ị na-ewetara ọnụ. Nwe ya nwoke, the 20-something years. In I said, you have spent, do you know how many years did she spend in France? Before she gave birth to those children? Hey, I have spent 30 years in a post. What is your achievement? The other day he told me, when he was boasting to me, he told me that I should look now, that due to what he have done to his village people, gbakọ aka wee sị na ya enye ya eze na ya eme ya eze obodo. Nkweri akụkọ onye isi zuru oke village gbakọ aka na ya eme ya eze obodo home and abroad. Otu onye obodo unu wee kpọọ m wee sị na nhapụ onye a na isi adịghị ya mma na njụọ gị ma ị nọ na mitin ụmụnna. Ntị ọ dịkwa amakwa m ọkwa onye bile echefuru m maka onye a kpọrọ m onye ebe ego kpọrọ m bụnụ kpamkpam. This is internet. So m na njụọ gị ma ị nọ na mitin obodo before a na-eme gị eze home and abroad. Laa obodo unu na-eze obodo chere gị onye eji opi pịawa gị isi anyị eme gị eze obodo home and abroad. Nke a ka ị kọchara m wee butuo bido chekigo onye ara ka bụ na ị na-akpa nkata. Maka nkata gị niile na-eyi ka nke onye akwụrụ bren ya. Nsị akụkọ a na-ayikwere akụkọ onye na-agba koko. Look at you. You can never rise again. I am telling you the fact. You can continue to go gaga. Kedu onye gị na-emekọgoro ihe na-abịabeghị? Ịma rịpọtụ gị nji n'aka? Ịma rịpọtụ gị? Onye mee ya sị na ịbụ mpasị eze asị. Ịma rịpọtụ gị? Ofu onye ọbụla gara n'ahịa lụọ ọgụ, mgbe ọbụla ị gaa n'ime ahịa lụọ ọgụ, mgbe ọbụla ị gaa n'ime ahịa lụọ ọgụ, ndị nọ n'ime ahịa na-achụ gị ka gị ma na-achụ ndị nọ n'ime ahịa. Let me tell you, ọgwụ m kere gị n'ahụ. Mmụọ na-eso m kwapụtara gị, iwe mepee ọnụ tọsaa kọwasị na Onishi wee help prime minister. Ebe a ka ị nọ wee mebe onwe gị. Yes na maka akwuru m sị na ebe ị sị na ihe helpụrụ m, ebe ọ bụ na ọ nọ 5,000 when I ran away from Nigeria n'olio, mgbe ha niile na-eme advert, ịmana Oromi Juice run away, ịmana Oromi Juice, that was it. Ebe ọ nọ 5,000 you gave me and said that iji wee help gide ịmana Oromi Juice. The only time that I have asked you money is 300,000, which you tell me na gị na prime minister na-ekwu. Do I speak to prime minister? Do I speak to him? Okay, mgbe m mechaziri sị gị na gị nye m nọmba prime minister ka mgbe na-ekwu gị sị m mba na ị ajụ ya ma ihe a. It was late. You use your mouth to confess it when you were disgraced. Ihe na ọ na-emekwe gị. Okpo, ihe na ọ na-emekwe gị. I contacted gị to extract my location. Ọ bụ ihe ọ ya na-egosi m taya. Lee na na-atụtụ taya. Yes, a na-aga ebe na-atụtụ taya. Ihe na-atụtụ taya bụ na Germany. I reasoned. I said, onye a na-atụtụ taya. Kedu ihe ijizi my location eme every time? Tell me your location ka m mee ihe a. I use the intelligence. Na ihe na-achọ ishave my bread bụ that you are not Sabo. Then what do you want to do with that location? Which you denied. That you never for once asked me my location. What did you tell my wife that made her to block you? You never asked of location. Obo.
He said, never. Oh, what to surprise him? What to surprise you for a convention, live official? Or you will go see a number of the Woody KJ
and you did not come to Finland official. You came to Finland and you were stopped outside. It was Oge Nkere that brought you in. It was Oge Nkere that brought you in. You never came to Finland official, as you said. It was Oge Nkere that brought you in. Ndị oji wee bịa lụọ ọgụ. All this for surprise ịhụ m na Finland official. Ọrụ gị kụrụ akụ. Let us move, please. Your fellow Sabo brought you in.
She can never love Biafran for so many years. It is where my one had earned money to make sure that Biafra Piao.
Also for so many years. Please, these people that know him, that brought him very close to me, una go tell am, say make you know they lie this one useless lie. Because all of una know am. When he appeared in Zoom, what the Prime Minister asked him, have you sold any money in this Biafra? You said no. Have you donated 1 naira? You said no. Then why are you here? He said, I want to come to Finland. Prime Minister said, you will not come to Finland. You asked Prime Minister, what if I pay for 6 months? Prime Minister added, even if you pay for 1 year, you will not come to Finland. Now, for years, Biafra Nkere tinyewegoro ego for years. One of ihe ego ọgụrụ na o tinyere, he went to Germany. They are this thing in Germany. Asị ya ga-eme banner. According to him, no mere banner wee bịa. Ego, of which he said that they're supposed to balance him the money for banner. Is there in your voice this thing now? That they're supposed to balance you. Oh, itinyere ego. Itinye ego tinyere makwana imane Oromi Jews no la. All this akakarati ngom na amabe ihe a na-akọ na freedom. Pụta na ahụ ọkụm for this struggle draw me back. Itinye ego tinyere nnọọ ga-egbafu. How many people have you been able to fund their medical bills in this very struggle? How many? Go and ask the commanders of Ndi Zama what Emmanuel Oromi Jews did. How many people? People that are mocking me have never sold 1/3 of what I have done in this very struggle. It was when I left that I started living by people helping me. Obo, Onyoshi, Obi Onyoshi, you will never rise again. I thought that after running to Okpontu Uruagu, so you still come back to the same Biafra that you abuse, scam. Biafra is a scam. They scammed you for Biafra, that you thought that they were asking for Biafra, not knowing that it was a scam. So you went to Finland to witness the same scam. Look at lies. I want to play this voice to get to where he said, ihe ọma imegidere mana Oromi Jews. Ihe mere bụ Obi, nke a ya bụ first and last. Ọ bụrụ na mmụọ m ejide gị ka ọ m bastard. Ị ya ahụ ya n'anya. Ihe ahụ ị mere m, ị ya apụta gwa mba ụwa. Biko, na enough is enough. Mmetọ nwa ọgaranya ka ogbugbu ya mma. Let us go, please.
Mgbe Oge Nkere nyere ego nyere ego jigote this laptop ọmụ nwere idea ọkwọmụ okwe mana mụ nwa na Oge Nkere atọ nọkwazịa tobi ego bribe bụ Oge Nkere na bribe ya Oge Nkere nyere ya $400 euro wee rie nri na kwachọkọchinye ịfọkosi a confess nyekwa second word orie ịwata na-ekwu na ọgwa ọzọ oge ka onye chie ya akaụntụ oge nyekwekwe another one ọ chọghị ekwu unu na ihe na-esere ihe n'oge unu osiri ọnwụ ka oge kpọpụ nwa ya Canada uche oge akpọpụbere ife ụmụanụ dịka ya Oge Nkere pụta bịa gwapụ unu ihe nye na-eji likewise me.
Please, all of you know that anybody in Europe traveling to another European country is not a difficult issue. Look at lies here. Na ihe na-esere Adadiora mma and Oge Nkere bụ na o siri ọnwụ ka oge kpọpụ nwa ya Canada. Nwa Adadiora mma is a French citizen, which is Europe. He can enter any other European country. Ọgbakọ nna ahụ asị. All of you in Europe knows what I'm saying. Is France not an EU country? Is Canada not in Europe? Please, come correct Amo. Come wanna say an elderly man on a French citizen. Na-eshi ka akpọpụ ya Canada. Hey, if I have not known, other people might have reason to talk down on Adadiora mma. But Adadiora mma, ever since I started speaking to her, I noticed one thing. She's open-minded. Someone can do mistake, which I can do mistake. Call me. If I do mistake, you call me direct. This thing that you did is mistake. I will reason with you. But if you said, okay, you started calling, I can never reason with you. Just like when I did a program about Master Prophet, let me use him as one of the people that you people know. He called me that program was wrong, which I came back to apologize. That he never said so, that he never did this, he never did that it was all propaganda. I came back here to say that that program that I did was all false, that it was wrong information. Now, this Obi, Adadi Oramma said, Adadi Oramma is one of the persons that I know is passionate in this very freedom. Everyone in life me, I have ups and downs. Nobody that doesn't have ups and downs. But you sent $400 to Adadi Oramma. Adadi Oramma said it. You sent to him the first time. Adadi Oramma did not ask you. Adadi Oramma did not ask you, because if she asks you, she will say it. She will say that she asked you money. She did not ask you, you gave her second, and told her that you are equally giving other people, paying other people every month. She slept and think, this money that I'm collecting every month and other medias, she called you, don't send me money again. Look at lies. Now, in order to cover it up, have you disgraced yourself that a French citizen is begging to go to Germany? All of you on this social media knows that this one is a blatant lie. Adadi Oramma's children, we are all French citizens, born and raised in France. So they are begging. Oge Nkere should take them to Germany. Is Oge Nkere in Germany? How can somebody in Europe be begging somebody in America to take me to Germany? Hello? Hello? Somebody in Europe begging somebody in America to take me to Germany. Oga, is there not, are you people not seeing the blatant lies that this man is throwing? It's good that you are disgracing yourself on social media with lies. I know that some of you people have heard this thing before, that Adadi Oramma in Europe is begging Oge Nkere in America to take her child to, is it Canada or Germany? How possible is that? Ishibako n'ọnụ. Unu na-atụ asị, unu na-atụ nke unu eji onye sensible person nọ ya asị no, this one eziokwu. Unu atụziri ụmụ asị ya unu je disgrace onwe unu. Please, I have said this. Obi, the only money that I have asked you is 300,000, and that was because you told me first. That was because of whom you came to me from. You lied that that person is your old time friend. It was later. I don't want to speak much because I so much respect that guy. I so much respect him. Because these are the people, when I was in Nigeria, that ensured about my security. I so much respect him. Even as he followed this Oge Nkere, I pray that he may make a U-turn. He was among the people who ensured my security in Nigeria. He said that, Obi, you contacted him through group, that you collected his number. You asked him that you are so much interested. Oh, look at it. Everybody is broadcasting that Emmanuel Oromeju ran away from Nigeria. This and that you're interested. How am I feeling? Food and this. How am I feeling? Hey, which made that person to give you my number? Now, after he gave you my number, he gave you my number. The money that you paid was the money that people donated in a group, that group that you collected that number from. Other money that you gave was 5,000, which is your own money there, 5,000. Your own money there, 5,000. That is the first and last money that you gave me. What you call me every day. Every day, every morning. This Okoko bomb. There is no day, no morning he will not call me. na mpụta ka ọ kpọpụga m ka ihe ọ na-akpọ Gabon. That I need security there. He have men there who will protect me. As in, add cheap like that. Add cheap like that. Most of you people calling me names. It is only when Biafra come. Because what I have passed through, if you pass through it, you will buy. It is only when Biafra come, me and Una go in Biafra. But those who wear the clan out Obi, Biafra will come. All of us will go to Biafra. And then,
the worst thing that happened to our this struggle.
Right from time, Nami Toka say, I borrowed you money. Even if you go that December, in my program, I said it. Now go M&M 30. It was somebody that I had to collect money from. Go to that December. My own is that I make everything about me public. Go to that my program or on Facebook because as at then I will do program on Facebook before taking it to YouTube. It's there. December, that period, which made some people to contact me and say, this and that. I said it. I borrowed you money because you said that I borrowed money from you because you said that give a prime minister. Is that not what you are telling me? That which you lied. The person that you contacted me through was the person that begged me and said, Nanambiko, no Shona. That he did not know you from Adam. It was from a group that you contacted him from. That person, Gonyendo. The person that you claim in our two areas. When I told that person that you told me that you are Prime Minister, the person said, no, it's a lie. It's a lie. You have not spoken to Prime Minister. If you are not a Sabo, then how did you lie all these lies to cover your track? And when I busted you, you even included the Biafra, how you stole money in Biafra, how they scammed you, tell you Biafra this, and scam all your money. Is that not what Okpontu Uruagu said? Is that not what you told Okpontu? Is that not what you told 10,000 teeth? Is that not what you told him? How we scammed you in Biafra? Onyoshi. Onyoshi, you know, my people around you are going to do. This is social media. I'm on social media before you. You went out of your devilishness. Just believe you me. I got a hit here. After then, he went and opened Facebook page using my picture to open it. I looked at. He was using it to comment. I looked at it. Did you know what I did? I shared it. You see me, that thing that you think, I have no skeleton in my cupboard. That thing that you think, like I always tell you, what did I tell you, Obi? Anything that I can discuss with you is what I will discuss in my platform. Bring out that lies which I have told you. Do I gossip with you? Is it not you that is calling me? All this while that you were calling me, it was when I asked you money. During that time that I had a cross-border problem, that was when I called 3 times in all of these months that you have consistently called me every morning. Did I call you? Now look at this evil entity. When I was checking about let me shut this one up. Let me shut it up. Because if I expose this one, it will affect some people. This criminal, it will affect some people. It's not about affecting them because they are guilty, but their names will come on social media. They don't want their names on social media. Those ones are not guilty. But the ones that you have gone to scam, the same scam on a scam, Onyoshi. Onyoshi. Obi taya. Nwaba Okpontu Uruagu. Ihe na-eme gị, Prime Minister, my brother. You take that your brother to Okpontu Uruagu. His arch enemy calling for him to buy. To lie. Need saw the big money Prime Minister scam Oge. Or have you people forgotten when 1,000 teeth and Okpontu was broadcasting it? Go back to your Oge Nkere. Oge Nkere, the biggest scammer. That scam the children of Biafra. Remove their name from the children of Biafra. You benefit from the money that is being donated to you. Isaiah Anyog will benefit the money that you are donating. Is that not criminality? Ndoshi. Ndị ji Biafra arụ. Arụsogbu unu. Arụsụ niile. From me from here, it is good morning, please.